not media, regional entertainment business is growing more than the Hindi sector.
Commercial, yes. Because you have a see now for the Hindi, the regional films. What do you have? I have
You're
been
talking
to
about, you are using the word niche in English version now, but in Hindi, the niche crowd means downgraded crowd. Really? The first question to you is that talking about the film Samrat and Company, what is the basic subject of the movie as such? What is the storyline?
see the film is a murder adventure, suspense adventure, what we call it. एक सेकंड बंद करवाऊँ वो?
My first question is talking about your upcoming movie Samrat and Company. What is the subject of the movie? What is the storyline as such?
See, Samrat and Company is a suspense adventure. That is what we call right now. A very nice, crisp movie on a detective genre, on a very serious detective genre. आपने ये बचपन में सुना होगा, करमचंद देखी होगी, everybody has seen Sherlock Holmes, but this is very different from all the subject, and it's a very original subject by Kaushik Ghatak, the director of the film. And you go and watch the film. I'm sure everyone has seen the promo of the film, and promo से ही देखकर आपको पता चलता है कि फिल्म कितनी crisp है, कितनी exciting है. Yeah, to have an exciting weekend, go and watch the film.
Tell me, what was the real experience working in the movie? Where did you shoot the movie? Any funny incident you want to share with us,
Yes,
or any?
yes,
You know,
I will. We shot in Mumbai, and we shot in Shimla, we shot in Manali as well. एक बहुत funny incident हुआ था मेरे साथ. We were shooting in Film City helipad, and what happened? I'm a police guy in the film, and I was wearing a shirt, linen shirt, a jacket on it, denims. Uh, Rajiv Khandelwal was wearing a sweater, a muffler, and the overcoat. And there's one more actor, Gopal Dutt, who's playing Chakradar in the film. He was with sweaters and all this topis and all, to save, because the film is all about Shimla and Manali. So you have to show that what we had in Film City, that you actually shooting in Manali. So before the director called the shots, what I did, I took off my jacket और हाथ में रख दिया, because helipad Mumbai, and it was like 41 degrees or 38 degrees Celsius that time. And I did the shot, and it was like 2-3 retakes for that. And I had a word with Rajiv and Gopal ki beta जियो अब तुम लोग गर्मी में मरो, मैं तो देखो ऐसे करके खुश हूँ, because I was wearing a linen shirt, and धूप में आप अच्छा और जैकेट आपके हाथ में था. So it was fun, but cut to the second scene of that very short was shot in 15 kilometers just below Rotang Pass at 6:30 in the morning. The very same sequence again. In that again, because the continuity issue, I have to have the jacket in my hand and not on me. So I was left with a linen shirt, and Rajiv and Gopal वो अपने अपने स्वेटर में थे. तब बोल रहे थे अब बेटा बता कि किंग कौन. So this happened, और मेरे हाथ इतने शिवर हो रहे थे. I was like I couldn't even move my hands for the cup of coffee. I couldn't even hold the cup of coffee. So yeah, that was a funny incident, and I would remember this incident for the rest of my life.
talking about your co-stars. Besides Rajiv, who are the other co-stars, and how is the equation while working on the movie?
See, majorly I have scenes with Rajiv and Gopal. Film also stars Priyanshu Chatterjee. I had a scene with Priyanshu Chatterjee as well. It has Girish Karnad साहब, उनके साथ भी था. स्मिता जयकर जी, Goofy Paintal साहब. Then you have Rajneesh Duggal as well. You have Naveen Prabhakar जो कॉमेडी करते हैं, and he has done a fantastic job in the film. So yeah, सबके साथ सीन थे. और my very first scene of the film, when I enter the hall, जितने भी actors थे, they were like probably something around 15 to 16 well-known actors in front of me, and I had to come and they had to listen to me what I was saying. The very first day of my shoot, and I was like totally blank. What should I say? उनको तो मैंने TV पे देखा हुआ है, इतने टाइम से मैं देख रहा हूँ. And delivering a dialogue, a very big dialogue in front of everyone, was a good experience.
Tell me, likewise, audience are star obsessed. They want Khans, they want Kumars on the poster, then only they will go inside the theater and watch
Yes,
the movie.
yes.
So how far it is challenging for an actor who don't have much of the star value to be a part of the movie?
See, you say they need Khans, they need Kapoors, they need all big people, but आप ये भी तो सोचो कि कभी ना कभी वो लोग ने भी शुरुआत की थी. So this is how it is. Even we starting it. God knows what is there in the kitty. But मौका दो. These days it's all about star. I understand it's all about stars, but these days the films are also given important. There are small budget films which have done well. आप भेजा फ्राई देख लो, didn't have big stars but the film did well. You see Kai Po Che didn't have big stars, the film did well. So Bittu Boss did well, a new star. So even I guess people are accepting new people and a new story. If the story is good, it doesn't matter who the star is.
And you know, how far do you think media is responsible for making such a movie a success as such?
Media is very important. Media is very important. अभी आपने लेटेस्ट कोई फिल्म देखी थी which was a big actor film, a big director film, but didn't work at the box office because कहीं ना कहीं से media had all the negative things to say about the film. It was in all newspapers, all TV channels. So you know, somehow audience would relate to what media is saying and would not enter the theaters and not waste their money, because these days multiplexes cost something around 350 to 400 rupees per ticket. So they don't want to waste it. They'll say यार चलो TV पे आएगा तो free में ही देख रहे हैं. So yeah, media plays a very important role.
You know, an individual when wants to aspire to become an actor or an actress, it has idolized somebody. Suppose that Bachchan or Shah Rukh.
आपने नाम ही ले लिया. आपने नाम ही ले लिया. Without a choice, it has to be Amitabh Bachchan. I have already said in some previous interviews as well. I am here because I have seen Amitabh Bachchan working. I have seen the stardom what he has got. So कहीं ना कहीं से even I want to achieve that 5% what he has achieved in life.
Okay.
So that is why I am an actor.
You know, but there are some individuals who want their identity of own. They don't want to copy somebody, or
Right.
you know, they
Right.
want to
Right.
have identity of own. Whatever they be,
Right.
might not be so talented.
Right.
So what's your take on that?
See, you have to be original. You have to be original. जहाँ आपने कॉपी कर ली, आप एक बॉडी डबल या ड्यूप के नाम से कहलाओगे, और probably a duplicate. See the history of Indian cinema who are original, वही स्टार बने हैं. So be original. It plays a very important role. आप में जो है, आप अपने आप को उस तरीके से प्रेजेंट करो जैसे आप हो, ना कि कोई ऑलरेडी वो जो स्टार है, you ape them and finally you don't be a star yourself. So it's better to be original.
You know, as an actor, you do have to do variable role as such. But what is the specific dream role kind of thing which you really want to do?
See, I love Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. If given a role in a film like Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, would be a dream come true.
You want to portray a role of what Shah Rukh have portrayed in the movie?
Anyone in the movie. Anyone in the movie.
Okay.
सूरज देव साहू है। मैं झारखंड रांची के रहने वाला हूँ।